First up, here with me is our silver-crested cockatoo, Winnie. These birds refers to habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforest. As you can see, Winnie has a pure white plumage with black beaks and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So guys, this is their crest and yellow inner side wings. And with the scientific name is Cockatoo galerita. Up next is our umbrella cockatoo, Nigel. Also known as a white cockatoo or the great white-crested cockatoo. Also, Nigel is very distinguishable from the other white cockatoos, and that is because of its woolly white crest that raises up like an umbrella. So if you're going to compare Tweety right here and Nigel, as you can see, Tweety has a yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel has a pure white crest.